Let's celebrate Independence Day by painting this rock. I want you to follow this step. It's really easy to do. I hope you like this video. I started by painting white lanes on the rock. This is something that is not really detailed. This is very vague, but it gives the idea that it is the flag. After you paint the white lines, you paint the red lines representing the United States flag. And I did this twice. I let it dry for a little bit and then I repainted the rock with white and red. And then I proceeded to add the blue paint. And I added a little bit of white paint because the blue paint, it looked as it was too dark, even though the flag is really dark. But I wanted to make it a little bit lighter because the rock is dark and I didn't prime the rock with any color. So I decided to add just a little bit of white. What is Independence Day? It's a federal holiday in the United States commemorating the Declaration of Independence of the United States on July 4th. The Continental Congress declared that the 13 America's colonies, which were the first ones that were funded, were no longer subject to the monarch of British and now were free and independent states. The Congress had voted to declare Independence Day 2 days earlier, which was on July 2nd, but it was not declared until July the 4th. Independence Day is commonly associated with fireworks, parades, barbecues, carnivals, fairs, picnics, concerts, basketball games, family reunions, and political speeches and ceremonies, in addition to various other public and private events celebrating the history, government, and traditions of the Independence Day of the United States. Is a national day and is a holiday that is observed nationally. Once the blue paint has dried, I started to add some dots representing the stars, and I started to make a silhouette with the pencil. I wanted to make a silhouette of the Statue of Liberty. You can make any silhouette. You can make it of just a star. You can make it of the eagle. Anything that you want. If you don't feel comfortable making the drawings, you can print an image out from the internet and just cut it off, and then you can just trace it with the pencil, and then you just start painting it with the black paint. My goal is to inspire you to start painting rocks. It might seem that it's difficult, but with practice you will get better, and believe me, it's really easy, relaxing to do, and it will give you satisfaction that you have accomplished something that you have done. Or you can make this as a gift, you can make it as a project at school, community events. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, suggestions for this channel, let me know in the section below. If you have any suggestions on future rocks or something that you want to see, let me know. After I painted the silhouette, I started to add some red glitter on the red stripes so it can look shiny. And this is the rock finished with the glitter. You can hardly see the glitter, but when you see it in real life, it looks so beautiful, it's so nice. And I hope you like this video, and I'll see you on the next video.